In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Microsoft Teams with Asana so you can manage tasks, projects, and conversations seamlessly all inside Teams. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your accounts are both ready for Microsoft Teams and, of course, Asana. Now, on Asana, I want you to log in using your credentials and click the Open in Browser. If you do, you will be forwarded to your main dashboard. Okay? Now, from here, all I have to do is hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon, and then click the gear icon that says Settings. On the Settings tab, I want you to click the Apps, and then from here, as you may notice, you have the ability to connect Microsoft Teams. All I have to do is very simple. Click the Connect button so that you can connect your Microsoft Teams conversations to actionable items in Asana. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. Now, if you haven't logged in already, you want to make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. And after doing so, just follow the on-screen instructions. Because once you've done that, you would be able to connect Microsoft Teams with Asana without any problem. Now, doing all these, you can create Asana tasks directly from the Microsoft Teams conversations. You can get automatic updates inside Teams, and of course, the most important thing is, if your team lives in Teams, bot manages work in Asana, this setup is a must. Alright? And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.